I have decided to participate in Veda, vlog every day in August. I understand it's August 5th. I did vlog yesterday, for those of you who may or may not have noticed, about the new Doctor on Doctor Who. And frankly, I just forgot the first couple days that it was starting in August. What can I say? A lot going on. But I'm here now, and I came to play. So I am planning on vlogging every day this month to just get more familiar with the camera, more comfortable with it. Less, no, I have to start over, that stunk, which is what I usually do. And so that is basically it. I have an obscene amount of eye makeup on because I did TV this morning. I have a Monday TV spot on my local TV channel, and I thought it was a good excuse to try out a new eye makeup application for my 20th class reunion that is this Saturday. Yes, I still don't know exactly how I'm doing my makeup, and I'm not 100% sure what I'm wearing. I'm not going shopping. That's all I know. That is basically how my morning though has looked, is TV and trying to get a couple of things done. And we have Lego Robotics here tonight, so we hit the week running. One thing Monday mornings always remind me of, I need a full-length mirror. Not because I need to put myself together, but because I'm vain and I want to be able to take pictures. How ridiculous is that? Nice thing about all the dorm college sales is hopefully I'll be able to pick one up cheap. But I have realized for like the third week in a row, as I try to Instagram myself before I go to TV, that I need a full-length mirror. I don't know. Those are my generic ramblings for the day. Join me in Veda, and make sure you leave a link to your channel down here so I can come check out your videos. And make a point of subscribing, and I promise I will be more constructive through the rest of the month. Have a great